everyone, namaste, welcome to my channel. It's me, Shrestha, and in today's video I'm going to rate different HIIT workouts, low impact HIIT workouts, not HIIT workouts but low impact HIIT workouts. In this video I did Madfit, Ting, Cummings, the Body Project and Heather Robertson workout, and the first one that always comes when I search for low impact HIIT workouts is of Heather Robertson, and the second one is of the Body Project, and the third one is of Madfit. And I just searched of Ting because I just wanted to do her workout. And about Cummings, I had never done her workout, so I was just interested in trying out her workout and to see how the workouts are and if they are enjoyable or not. Okay, so now let's go into the video of me working out. Today is day 1 of trying out low impact exercises, and we are doing the Madfit 30 minutes full body with no equipment low impact exercise. As you can see, there are many new exercises in her workouts. It is being hard for us to cope up with the new exercises and learn them.
Here we go, guys. We're halfway. Let's do it. Make sure that you're not coming up in this bridge here. You're pushing those hips all the way to the ceiling before you come through and pull that bum up off the floor. All the way back into that down dog and all the way down into that push up.
Today is our day 2 of trying out low impact HIIT workouts, and today we are going to do Cummings workout.
As it's Sunday and this is your 30-minute low impact HIIT cardio workout. So grab your sweats out, let's get started. Then touch the floor. Okay, and then you're going to switch 4, 3, 2, 1, lift and touch. Alright, so this bottom leg stabilizes. Ready? 2, 1, great. Woo! Grab some water and squeeze it, okay? And then we're going to do a single leg mini mountain. Get up and arch your back. This is just to activate that glute. Let's go. Drop it low. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. Boom, boom. You finish off each one with a cross punch. Forward kick. Cross opposite.
So I just completed Cummings 30 minutes low impact workout, and it was pretty intense and fun. So today is our day 3, and I'm going to do Lightened workout. So since we are doing low impact, the first shown result is 15 minutes full body HIIT, no noise, no jumping, apartment friendly, and second one is full body no jumping workout to burn fat. So I will do this 2 workouts, 15 minutes each. Rate Madfit for 4x5 in intensity, and about Sydney Cummings I would rate 4x5, Ting 3x5, the Body Project 2.5x5, and Heather Robertson 4.5x5. Actually, Madfit also deserves 4.5x5. And now we are moving on what's the calories burnt. So this is just a rough idea of how much calories I burnt. Okay, so calories burnt from Madfit is 208 active calories, whereas the total calories is 253 BPM. And at the same time, doing the Sydney Cummings workout, my active calorie is 268 active calories and 311 total calories. And going on to the Ting's, my calories burnt is 246 total calories, and active calories is 290 active calories, not active, total calories, sorry. And about Body Project, it's 235 active calories and 278 total calories. Similarly, Heather Robertson, it's 265 active calories, 310 total calories. And now we are going to the average heart BPM throughout the workout. Madfit it's 127 BPM, and of Sydney Cummings it is 155 beat per minute throughout the workout average. And Ting it's 142 beat per minute. Body Project 138 BPM, and Heather Robertson 146 average beat per minute. So the maximum is of Sydney Cummings, and even the total calories burnt is from the Sydney Cummings, but Sydney Cummings and Heather Robertson have similar kinds of calories burnt, so I guess both of them are great. And now we are talking about enjoyment level. About Madfit, the level of enjoyment was 3/5, I guess, because there were so many intense workouts, but she was guiding you throughout the workout. So it is best if you are thinking and you are trying to learn how to do a certain posture properly. And about Sydney Cummings, I really enjoyed her workout, to be honest. There were so many new moves to me, but it was also much fun. Like, I didn't even know when the 30 minutes ended. And about Ting, I had done her workouts previously already, and I would highly recommend for anyone, if you are a beginner and you want to try HIIT workouts, then please go for it. And about Body Project, if you are a beginner, go for it, but I didn't enjoy it. And of Heather Robertson, it was fun. Like, I was sweating within first 5 minutes. Same goes with Sydney Cummings too, and it was fun. It was not that hard, but it was not that easy. Like, it was from a beginners level to intermediate to advanced level. So it's so much fun to, like, if you want to do HIIT workouts on the rest days, they are good too. Now we are talking in the overall. In overall, I'm going to rate Madfit 3.5 by 5, and rating the Cummings I would rate 4.5 by 5, and Ting I would rate 3 by 5, the Body Project 2.5 by 5, and the Robertson I would rate 4.5 by 5. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please share this video to anyone who is interested in trying out low impact exercises and is confused which ones should they try. And if you haven't tried their workouts, then please go ahead. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.